Hey, welcome back to the channel. I know, if you're here, if you're following this channel, it's normally Muriel you see, but Muriel asked me to do a video for you where I share how we make money here from Costa Rica, and I'm going to show you a method that earns us at least $120 a day, super simple, in 5 minutes per day, and everybody can do this. And with the use of copy pasting and AI and affiliate marketing, it can't be simpler. I mean, this is the most simplest strategy I can share with you here. It's a super warm day here, but I'm gonna share it as clear as possible with you. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop them in the comments below. I'll keep an eye on it. Muriel always keeps an eye on it, and I'm more than happy to help you further this. But this is a very easy way how you can earn money from Costa Rica by using by copy pasting AI content and affiliate marketing. So the tool that we're gonna use, and that also is going to pay us, is this tool, the Immersion Magic Content Machine. I love the name. This is what we're going to help us. And to get access to this, you first need to follow the first link in the description of this video. And to show you that I don't make this kind of stuff up. A week ago we got started with this. We actually started on Thursday the 13th, and I started to implement this exact strategy. And you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. So roughly that is $200 per day even. It's a 34, so it will be 9. Well, you see the picture, or $175 per day, but let's round it up to $100 a day, at least $120 a day, and that is super easy. So we had days of $460. The biggest day was, I think, yesterday, $520 in a day. So this is all possible, and the beautiful thing of this is this recurring. So the further we go, the more it grows, the more your monthly income grows as well. So this is what you can expect. So this is where we're going to work towards. And here, if I'll go back to the premium, we have to have this, but also we have to copy paste the content and email it to a list. Now, maybe you say, but hey, I don't have any experience. I don't have an email list. How do we do this? We're gonna use a very simple mailing system for this, and this is called my lead generation here. And you can create an account there. It's super simple. And what it does, it is $30 per month. This is, and once you've created your account, you're in here. You get 100 leads per day. So for $30, it's $1 a day. You get 100 leads per day. And so if you follow the link below, you find it. You come right there. You subscribe. You do the payment, and it's super easy. You come in here. This will be your own link that you can use later in your marketing. I will make more videos in the future on Muriel's channel here, where I explain how you can also earn with this. It's a little amounts, but you know, at the end it will cover your costs from this as well, the $30 per month. So but that is very easy. But we're gonna use this super simple system. I'm already using this for quite some time. So if I go here to the mailing system, you can also, you are offered master email swipes. That's optional. You get, I think, 5 examples you get for free, and if you want to have the 30, you can buy them. You don't really need to do that, but it's an option if you want to. But you don't really need to, because we're going to use AI. So the basic is you just make your account, and you don't need to have this. If I just say, I don't think you need it. And but why I'm saying this, you get it offered for buying it half price, and later if you want to do it, it's full price. But again, we're gonna use AI, the technology of this day, so it's amazing. So you see, I have here my leads. So I have 200 leads per day. As soon as you introduce people to this system, they double your leads. So instead of 100, I get 200 leads a day. I select them all by date, and you see that I have 7,900 leads. And I've been emailing them since the day one I got started. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 emails, and you see that, you know, the results that come out of here is just really, really interesting. So first of all, we need to get access to this, and how to do that is by following the first link in the description below this video. and that will bring you to a page where you can leave your name and email, and then you find probably a video of Muriel that will introduce you a little bit more. But then you come on a page like this, and I really encourage you to watch this video, and also read all the content that you find here so that you got a clear understanding. It's a beautiful community that comes with it as well. And from every sale they make, a part of that goes to a good cause called Feed My Starving Children. So I also like that. That's a good cause of that. So it's very simple, but just read through it, and then you go here and you say, yes, I want access for $25. Now pay attention. It is very important that you don't forget the things I'm going to share with you. You fill your name, your email, your phone number. They will never call you. I don't know why they actually got your phone number, but anyway, fill out all the details. It's important. Here your credit card details, and then you scroll down in this yellow box. Read the yellow box as well, but then you need to tick this one. It is for a 14-day free trial, so you don't pay anything extra. It's a 14-day free trial, so you can use that. It's only $25, and you got everything you need for that. Okay, read the income disclosure, refund, and then you complete your order. Now, once you've completed your order, you check your email and you find your login details, and then when you log in, and then you come on a page that more or less looks like this. So, but the most important thing is that we got here on the premium, you find your the immersion magic content machine. So we've got that, and here, so the whole marketing, it is for every business. It's important that you have potential customers, right? So what is important is that you find customers, and where do you find them, or how do they find you? So that is called traffic. And here you got a lot of traffic strategies, from Facebook to YouTube to TikTok to whatever, LinkedIn, podcasting, so many ideas here to help you inspire to, but all free strategies. So if your budget is lower, you can implement the free strategies here. You got more room, then you can go to get paid traffic. You got solo ads, text messaging, and Facebook ads, Facebook video ads. Now, just go to, but don't get overwhelmed. Just pick one strategy. But while you're learning, you want to get things moving. So that's why we go to the immersion content machine. So, but before we can go there, first you need to go here and go to the affiliate zone. In the affiliate zone, you watch this video, and then you sign up for the affiliate program here, and then you log into SamCart. This will be your back office. That of course says 0 in the beginning, but then you scroll down and you make sure that you find this link, the all-in-one 25 business sales. So then you just copy it. This is your link. But for now, I don't have to copy it. But for now, we leave it like this, and we go back to the to here. So once you have set this up, we go back to the premium again in the same area of the Home Business Academy. You go here, and again you go down and you go to the Immersion Magic Content Machine. That's the name. So we go there, the Immersion Magic Content Machine. Then you scroll down here, and now we have to create an email for the mailing system that we've created and set up here. So here below we can send emails. You can do this once a day, and I still have to wait almost 6 hours before I can send another one, but it doesn't matter, that we can do everything that we need to do here right now, and I'll just save it for later, and then I hit send. But you go back here. Now we want to write an email that is, for example, about, can you write me an email that is can you write me an email that gets people to click on a link that is about how to make money online in just 5 minutes per day. Copy and pasting AI content. Something like this, right? Am I correct? Check this. Copy pasting AI content. Now let me see what he creates, and click you go immersion, and boom, there it is. Super fast, within seconds. Subject line: make money in just 5 minutes per day each. Make in 5 minutes each day. Copy pasting. Okay. Hi there. Are you interested in making money? This looks good. So what I will do is just I can just click here, copy, and then I go here and I paste it in here. Now then I want to, of course, copy this and delete this and fill out the information right here. So this is where I paste that. Make money just 5 minutes each day. Copy pasting. Then I want to have first name, because that always makes the email a little bit more personal. So I say not hi there, but hi first name. And this is a very interesting golden nugget that you must remember if you start to do email marketing. First of all, we want to have bright and clear big fonts here, so that's easy. But you have to remember, if people read an email, they just go from. You have to keep it very narrow, because they scan. They don't go from left to right. So I always keep the sentences very small. Well, are you interested in making some extra money with little effort? Well, now you can, with just 5 minutes of copy pasting each day. We created a process where you can get AI generated content and paste it directly onto your website. It's that simple. With just a few clicks, you can start earning money online within minutes. You see how to get started. To see how to get started, click on the link below. Now, to see how, I will change this a little bit to click here, and I will highlight this and then click this button. Where is it? Here. This is the link button, and I go back to my back office of SEMcard, where I can copy this link, the all-in $25 business. You see? And then I can go back to the mailing system. I paste it in here, and I say okay. And I say don't miss your chance to make money online while you sleep. Try out our proven copy paste system and watch the money roll in. And then I always like to say, to your success, and I paste to always Dirk and Muriel. So I have to make sure everything is 20 and then 20 again. So here we are. Now normally you will see, if my 6 hours are past the 5 hours and 44 minutes, there is a preview and send. First I want to do preview, and then I get a pop-up with the preview, and I want to test this link. Does it correct? You will check in the URL bar. If you see, this is my link, you will see that this part is the most important. Of course this part also, but that you see here your code. And if you look in your back office, it's all in the end it's all the same. So this will be with you this will be different, but then you know it's your link. So this is how easy it is. So we go back to the mailing system, then you click perfect timing if it's correct, and then click send, and he will find the perfect time to deliver your email. And if you see here in the statistics, I hope it saves my email, but anyway, I go back here, statistics. You see I've been sending the emails for the last week, and my amount grows from 5,900 already to 7,900 in the next email. And you have opened 1,100 opens, 12,900, almost all of them, on average, they're all about over 1,100 people per day. And clicks on my link are around, well, can we say 175 clicks per day on the link. So that is a lot, right? So you get things going and get things, and then, well, this is what happened. I just started to test out how this works. And you see the links in total, 1,130 clicks, 200 and 212. And you see this is the way it grows. And these are the commissions that roll out. And after a week, it is already, every week they pay on Thursday. So this is the first week after, and my first $60 are, it's my neighbor. The first $60 I can already send to my my bank account. So, and all the others, I presume that will be going to next week. So, but yeah, this is how easy it is. So go ahead if you want to make money from Costa Rica in 5 minutes per day by copy pasting AI content. I can't make it any easier. Then follow the first link below this video in the description. Are you watching it on your mobile? Then it's a little triangle under the video. You gotta drop down, you'll see the link. If you're watching this on the computer, you will see the description below the video, and the first link will bring you to this product. Make sure to tick that the first 2 weeks trial, that you have access to the Emergent Magic content creator. And then you click the second link, you create your account with the mailing system here, and then you start to building your leads, your email list. And this is how easy it is. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below in the comments, and I'm more than happy to answer them for you, or I'll see you in the community, and we have a Telegram support group for this, and you're more than welcome. I'm happy to see you there. Ciao.